Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Tanned AF spray is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving that perfect sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV rays, offering a convenient and customizable way to enhance your natural complexion and boost your confidence with a radiant, even tan that looks like you've spent weeks on a tropical beach, all from the comfort of your own home, making it an essential addition to any beauty routine for those who desire a healthy-looking tan year-round. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin ruining your look? This innovative tool instantly mattifies your complexion, absorbing excess oil for a perfectly shine-free appearance. Keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup, ensuring you look great all day long. Enjoy a refreshed look anytime, anywhere. Use it on clean skin at home or easily mattify your face while you're on the go. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. Made from real volcanic stone, this reusable and washable roller is the secret to quickly banishing shine. Its perfectly portable design makes it incredibly easy to use. Achieve a smooth, matte finish with a simple roll, wherever you are. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our convenient refill packs. No need to buy a whole new device. What we like? This product is perfect for those who struggle with oily skin throughout the day. It absorbs excess oil without disturbing your makeup, leaving you with a shine-free look. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to mattify your skin on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. This spray is amazing. It gives a natural-looking tan without any streaks. The application is super easy and it dries quickly, leaving a beautiful glow. I love how evenly it distributes and the color is perfect, not orange at all. Number 4. Beauty by Earth Self Tanner. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed radiance without the sun. Our self tanner is designed to give you a natural-looking glow that enhances your skin tone. Crafted with care in the USA, this formula features natural and organic ingredients. It's enriched with soothing aloe vera and moisturizing coconut for a healthy feel. Enjoy a flawless finish every time. The lotion glides on smoothly, ensuring an even, streak-free tan for a professional look at home. Whether you desire a subtle warmth or a deeper bronze, this product delivers. It's ideal for achieving a beautiful medium to dark tan. Experience the dual benefit of hydration and a gorgeous tan. It leaves your skin feeling soft, moisturized, and beautifully bronzed. Achieve that desirable fake tan safely and easily. It's your perfect companion for a radiant complexion year-round. What we like? Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with this moisturizing lotion. Made with natural and organic ingredients, it nourishes your skin while providing a streak-free glow. If you desire a sun-kissed look without the harmful UV rays and prefer a lotion that hydrates, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This spray tan gives a beautiful, natural-looking color that fades evenly. It's easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving no sticky residue. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, which is a big plus for a spray tan. Number 3. St.Tropez Classic Bronzing Self-Tan Mousse. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with our classic bronzing mousse. It's designed for a streak-free application, giving you a flawless golden tint every time. Say goodbye to uneven tans. This mousse glides on smoothly, ensuring a perfectly even and natural-looking finish without any streaks. Get that sun-kissed look you love, naturally. Our formula provides a believable golden hue that complements your skin tone beautifully. Applying your tan has never been easier. The lightweight mousse texture makes it simple to spread evenly for a professional result at home. For a radiant and healthy glow, reach for this trusted self-tanner. It delivers consistent, gorgeous results for a confident, bronzed appearance. Enjoy ample product for multiple applications. This generous size ensures you can maintain your beautiful tan for longer. What we like? This classic bronzing mousse delivers a natural-looking, golden tan with ease. Its tinted formula ensures a streak-free application, making it simple to achieve a flawless finish. If you're aiming for a reliable, easy-to-use self-tanner that provides a beautiful, natural-looking glow, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This spray tan gives a beautiful, natural-looking color that is not orange at all. It dries quickly and doesn't feel sticky on the skin. The application is even and streak-free, providing a smooth finish. Number 2. B.TAN Dark Self-Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Dark Self-Tanner Kit. Get a gorgeous, natural-looking tan without the sun. This bundle includes our best-selling mousse and a soft tanning mitt applicator for a smooth, streak-free application every time. Our 1-hour express sunless foam works quickly to give you a beautiful bronzed glow in no time. Enjoy the process with our unique formula that leaves no unpleasant fake tan smell behind. Feel good about your tan. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Achieve that perfect sun-kissed look with this easy-to-use self-tanner. It's your secret to a radiant complexion. What we like? Get a deep, dark tan in just 1 hour with this express sunless foam. It's formulated to provide a fast bronzing glow without any unpleasant fake tan smell. If you're looking for a quick tanning solution that is also vegan and cruelty-free, this bundle is ideal for you. What people say. No orange Oompa Loompa color. It faded beautifully. Just like a natural tan would fade. Zero weird spots. Color is natural and no streaking. Can be used on face and does not leave face oily, beautiful face coverage. Number 1. B.TAN Besties Bundle Self-Tan Kit. Get ready for a flawless tan with our Besties bundle. It includes 2 of our amazing tanning mousses and a handy applicator mitt. This kit delivers a deep, dark, and ultra-long-lasting tan. You'll achieve a beautiful sun-kissed glow in no time. Our express formula works in just 1 hour for a quick and convenient tanning experience. The included mitt ensures an even and streak-free application every time. Enjoy the process without the typical fake tan odor. This tanner is designed to leave you smelling fresh and fabulous. Whether you're tanning your face or body, this duo provides a natural-looking sunless tan. Achieve a beautiful, even color all over. This is your ultimate solution for a perfect tan at home. It's the ideal bundle for you and your bestie. What we like? This duo offers an ultra-long-lasting, express tan for both face and body. Achieve a fast sunless tan in just 1 hour with this convenient bundle. If you want a tan that lasts and can be applied quickly and easily to your entire body, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great product that gives a natural tan. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The color is buildable and looks very natural. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.